Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Tamra Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am out here today at our newest HUD property in Snowflake, Arizona. 946 West 7th Street is the address. I'm going to go ahead and take you on inside for a tour. So, just a really nice side-built home, Frontier Estates area in Snowflake, Arizona, and really just a very nice custom home. Let's go ahead and just take a look around. Really nice open living room, kitchen, nice lighting. You can see you've got a really nice kitchen island there, and everything looks really updated. Okay, and looking into the laundry area in your hallway. Now the garage doesn't have any lights on. Can't really see too much in there, but it is a very large 2-car garage. And walking into the main bedroom. So, main bedroom, really nice and spacious. And the main bathroom, you can see it has a really nice vanity there. There's a big walk-in closet back here. I don't have any lights on right now, so I'm just going to do my best. And then there is your water closet with the tub in there. Now walking out towards the other side. And you know, I don't see any major damage or anything like that. I mean, home is in overall, you know, average to good condition. There are some things like the carpet is coming up a little bit right there, but overall, a really nice 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. There is your guest bath, full bathroom. So 2 full baths, and your bedroom number 3, I would call it. Really light in this bedroom, light and airy. Now let's just take a look out of the back door, and I can show you. You can see views for miles, okay? So you've got a little storage area right here, and then a really nice sized fenced backyard. And like I said, you can see miles back to the mountain cliffs there. And yeah, so a really nice backyard. And looking back at the house there, so thank you for taking the tour. If you're interested in this home in Snowflake, Arizona, 946 West 7th Street, please reach out to us. We would love to show you the home. Until next time, make it a great day.